Do you want to make money online using social media? Hey everybody, welcome to Affiliate 101. This is our first episode and we are so glad to have you all here. Make sure to subscribe and come on this journey with us to marketing mastery. My name is Kevin and I'll be your host. Today, we're learning how you can make thousands of dollars per month by creating a social media marketing agency. Let's get started. First, we have to define what a social media marketing agency is. The abbreviation for this job, SMMA, the use of social media platforms and websites to promote a product or service. Typically, you will be acting as a business doing sales with another business in what is called B2B sales. The other main type of transaction is B2C. For SMMA, we will be doing primarily B2B selling, offering services to growing businesses in exchange for monetary compensation. The key word in that last sentence was growing. We want to make sure the clients we are seeking want to grow their business. The main question at hand, how do you start in SMMA? Step 1, pick your niche. Probably the hardest part since there are so many good ones out there. Some examples may include restaurants, real estate agents, lawyers, dentists, auto dealers, and more. Pro tip, don't follow your passion on this gig. Instead, think about who you would like to work with. And if you know you'd get along well with the car salesman, it can make your job much easier as you will be doing quite a bit of relationship building. Step 2, pick a service. After you figure out who you want to provide services for, it is time to pick the service you will be offering. Now, there are a couple ways to go about this. All of these methods have their own pros and cons. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to see a video learning how to do all three of these methods. Through extensive experience, you will learn the skills you need to be a company of one. If you would like to learn fast and easy and for free, I would recommend learning how to generate substantial free organic traffic by providing valuable content creation and in most cases, both. Step 3, build your website. There are many platforms that you can do this for free. Below, I will list links to some of my favorite and some of the easiest website builders out there. For beginners, I normally recommend WordPress, Bluehost, Clickfunnels, and Wix. Although Clickfunnels totals out at $97 a month, it is worth every single penny. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the video where I explain why Clickfunnels is one of the best marketing platforms in the world. Pro tip, when designing your website, incorporate the color blue. Blue is often talked about in business as a marketing strategy which alludes to security and stability. Step 4, build your prospective client list. Start making cold calls and going into local businesses. Now, before putting your new clients in your pipeline, make sure they are qualified for the service you are offering. Pro tip, when it comes to sales, make sure to always ask your clients questions the first time you meet. This gives you a competitive advantage because you're able to sell them exactly what they're looking for. Ask questions to find out what their business is missing and fill in the gaps. Step 5, develop a simple CRM. If you've never heard of this acronym, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. You'll want to organize your list of prospective clients as they come in. A CRM allows you to move people along your pipeline and out if necessary. The definition of a pipeline in business is the movement of a client from prospect to customer. It is as important to have new people entering your pipeline as it is people moving out of your pipeline. Step 6, develop a contract. Once you get your first customer, you'll want to get them into a binding agreement for a retainer fee of your choice. What should you charge them? As a beginner, be confident of your worth, but don't lose it all in unwillingness to compromise. Negotiate to make this a win-win for you and your client. Depending on how much value you bring to the table, Don't be afraid to charge at least 10% of the sales you bring to the business. For example, if a company increases its revenue by $25,000, you should be at least earning $2,500 each month from this client. The more clients you have, the more you'll make. Pro tip: try getting your clients to enter into at least a 3-month contract for your services on a retainer fee. This way you'll be given a notice if a client has to, for any reasons, cut your services. This helps your client be financially empathetic towards your business. Step 7. Do the service or hire someone else to do it. You finally got your first client. Yay! Now it is time to perform the service that you learned in Step 2. If you would rather spend your money instead of your time to gain experience, hire someone on Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. I will list below a discount code for 20% off your first Fiverr gig. Depending on the service, you can hire someone to run ads or create social media content for as little as $25 per week. We hope this video helped you a ton. If you enjoyed that, you'll love these videos as well. Cheers.